Good morning. We're here with Scott Shaw of Premier Pallets. Scott, thank you for being with us again.
You're welcome.
Tell us a bit about the type of profile of clients that you have that purchase or use pallets, and what do they use them for?
Right. Well, we're a member of the National Wooden Pallet and Container Association, the NWPCA, and the NWPCA's slogan is "Pallets Move the World." And what that means is that virtually, not all, but very many of the goods that are shipped throughout the world are shipped on pallets. It's a very cost-effective transport platform, and anyone who moves anything probably has a forklift, and so a pallet's a very handy thing to have. Our clients are ideally larger manufacturers, warehousing operations that ship a lot of goods out and require a lot of pallets. We have manufacturers that require a custom-sized pallet that we've engineered for them to minimize any wasted lumber in the pallet and optimize it for the unit load that goes on the pallet. And we have customers, typically in the food industry, that use the grocery pallet, which is very common, the most common pallet in the United States. And we have customers that ship goods overseas, and those require heat treatment, which we provide, both on new pallets and recycled pallets. So our customers range from small businesses to large multinational corporations, and really anyone who uses a pallet can utilize our services.
We've seen on TV some interesting things, which is where there's a lot of technology used, like robots that are in warehouses today with forklifts, and they go and pick up goods and they just move them around. I mean, it's pretty amazing. I would imagine, are pallets a very integral part of that whole process of that business?
They can be. What that has done for us in the pallet industry, though, is really required us to step up our game. We have a customer that recently put in an Italian system, of all things, in their U.S. facility. And from the time a forklift driver puts a stack of pallets on this platform, this moving robotic platform, it is untouched by human hands until it rolls off the production line fully loaded with product. And I've seen this operation in person, and it's really quite impressive. This pallet moves hundreds and hundreds of yards through this manufacturing facility. What that has required us to do is make sure that our pallets, these are recycled pallets I might add, are up to spec, that the bottom boards are sound, so that we don't have any jammed pallets causing a production slowdown. And so we've had this customer for several years now and have had a very good relationship, and have had really good success with them.
So the precision has to be impeccable.
Very much so.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.